Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I'm going to show you how I made two BMW M5 cars out of plasticine clay. That's how they look now. As you can see, they are made only of plasticine clay. I've covered windows and headlights to protect them from paint. I'm going to use spray paint, but firstly, I have to apply a layer of primer, and only then I'll apply the main colors. One car will be blue, and the other one will be red. After the painting, I've added some elements, and here is the result. I've made two cars of plasticine clay at once. It wasn't easy, and it took a lot of time, but it's worth it, isn't it? The reason why I need two of them, and what I'm going to do with them, I'll tell you a bit later. It took me 142 hours and 6 days to create these BMWs. It's my most time-consuming project. This time I've painted the cars the way it should be. There are no paint drips or light spots. The tone turned out to be smooth and even. I sculpted two BMWs in parallel at once. For example, I made a frame of the front parts for one car, and then the same for another car, and so on. During the creation process, the blueprints helped me to make an accurate car body. Also, I took a look at it in the game Forza Horizon 4 and in 3ds Max. The last one allowed me to analyze all details in the interior and under the car hood. Here is the interior. Let's open the hood and take a look at the engine. I managed to make the engine very similar to the one I saw in the 3D model. Since I was trying to make everything very detailed, I also did the bottom of the car. I used this photo for it. The wheels can rotate since I made the fully functioning running gear. And by the way, the wheels are also made of plasticine clay. Here is the original wheel disc that I've used for creating new ones out of plasticine clay. I've wanted to make a stance for these BMWs, but it did not work. I did not calculate the sufficient width of the wheels, so it turned out that they are too into the car body, and it doesn't look good. But I couldn't fix it. Although these BMWs were created in parallel, they are not symmetrical, as they would be at the factory. For example, here you can see that the red roof is located lower than the blue one. Also, it looks like the radiator grille of a red car is smaller than the blue one, but in fact, it's just an illusion because of the bright red color. if you cut out the radiator grille in Photoshop from the blue car and compare it with the red one. But in fact, they are almost the same. So why did I make two identical BMWs at once? Perhaps one of them will be destroyed, and the other one will be given away to one of the subscribers. No, I'll do a very unusual crash test. I will break these two cars, but in different ways. One in the way I used to, and the other one will be dropped from a height of 7 feet. But it will be in the next video, so subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so as not to miss the next video. Now I'm going to show you the process of modeling these BMWs from the very beginning to the final assembling. I hope... I hope this video was interesting for you. So if you like my unusual plasticine creativity, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will hone my craft to please you with the new improved plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!